Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group, and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The large Asia-Pacific bourses collapsed. India is an exception with a rise of around 1%. European equity markets have stabilized. Stoxx 600 lost 2.1% yesterday, and more than half of its loss has been recouped today. The U.S. equity futures are softening. The greenback can still be bought against most currencies, except the Japanese yen or Chinese yuan. Yesterday's gold plunged to near $1,763 for the year and is still trapped at the lowest levels today. Yesterday was a huge outside down day for August WTI. With the price falling below $100 for only the second time since May, it is now near the middle of its $99 to $102 range, which it has seen today ahead of the U.S. Open. Asian Pacific market. Quarterly, the Bank of Japan surveys household inflation expectations. Today's results from the most recent survey were announced. The one-year forecast rose to 8.3% from 6.4% in last survey. According to reports, COVID has been experiencing a new upsurge. The number of COVID cases in Tokyo has doubled over the last week, reaching their highest point in 3 months. 3-week high in Shanghai cases. The dollar is performing better against the Japanese yen than anyone would expect. Over the past 10 days, the yen has been the most powerful major currency, but it has only risen by 0.15%. Today, the Australian dollar stabilized and is now within a 20-point range of $0.6800. Market of Europe. Sterling had stabilized at $1.1920 by the time of the political bombshells. Javid, the health secretary, resigned. The resignation of Health Secretary Javid, Chancellor Exchequer Sunak, was immediate. He stated that Johnson's approach was fundamentally different from his. YouGov's Snap poll revealed that Johnson is the most popular choice of Tories, and 2/3 of the country. Sterling is doing a little better than the euro and has so far held above yesterday's low. Unexpectedly, German factory orders rose unexpectedly in May. This contrasts with the 0.5% expected decline. Today's sharp euro losses of yesterday have been extended as the single currency approaches $1.0225. Market of America. Today's U.S. economic agenda is very busy. The weekly mortgage index is first. The index has seen a rise of 3% in the last 3 weeks, which is the largest increase in the past 2 years. The final services and the composite PMI are next. Next comes the ISM services and the JOLTS report. The FOMC minutes from the last month's meeting will also be made public at the close of the session. Canada and Mexico both have light economic calendars. Yesterday's marginally higher U.S. dollar was CAD 1.3085. It remains above CAD 1.30 at the moment. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.